Okay, let's dive into the final, crucial piece of the modern brokerage playbook. We've been on a journey, right? Building this operational fortress to help you thrive. We tackled your time with the digital clone and unlocked new inventory using the Trojan horse. We fixed recruiting by turning your firm into a magnet, and we protected your fees by owning a niche. You've built a powerhouse brokerage, but there's one last storm coming. And yeah, it's the one thing everyone's whispering about: artificial intelligence. So the question isn't if AI will change real estate anymore, it's much more personal than that. And to answer that, we gotta be honest. For decades, your value came from one thing: information asymmetry. You had the data, the client didn't. Simple as that. You knew the comps, they were in the dark. Well, that whole era, it is completely over, dead, gone. Data is just a commodity now. An algorithm can find the building and draft the LOI way faster than you can. So that leaves a huge question. What's left for the human broker to do? The answer? Everything the machine can't do. That's your new superpower. See, as data gets cheap, this thing called the human premium just skyrockets. The future isn't about who has the data. It's about who the client trusts to make sense of it. AI can't look a distressed seller in the eye and feel empathy for their situation. And it definitely can't navigate tricky local politics or crack a joke to get a deal done. Your whole job is shifting, and there's really only one way to broadcast that trust at scale. Look, we're heading into a world of deepfakes. People can spot what's real and what's not. A grainy Zoom call, it feels kinda cheap, easily faked. But high-quality video, that's different. This professional production, it screams reality. It's your insurance policy against becoming obsolete. So let's pull back and look at the whole picture. This was never about getting likes. It's about survival. We stopped cold calling and started broadcasting. We stopped selling and started interviewing to find inventory. We magnetized top talent, dominated our niche, and today we're leveraging our own humanity to win. The tools have changed, people. The phone is being replaced by the camera. So the only question left is this: